Attach point cloud. Command is used to attach the point cloud data into the drawing, and then running this command, the first thing you need to specify is the file or folder. I'll specify the file because I have the example here, and when I open this example it asks me to specify a name, insertion point, scale and rotation. I'll simply name this point cloud example. I'll click attach and it asks me to specify a point here, and I click OK. It says that you created a link in this drawing to point cloud example, and it's finished. Here you can see the point cloud that has been attached, and the command is executed successfully.